is Charlene, and I'm in 5A.
My name is Carolina Jaya. I'm mother of Charlene Tisnabudi in 5A.
Charlene Angelica Tisnabudi is currently grade 5 student at SPH Lipo Village. Charlene joined SPH Lipo Village since K2, so she has been studying at the school for over 6 years. When Charlene joined SPH at K2, she also received ballet lesson too, and her mother, Carolina Wijaya, just found out a few years ago that it was run by Ibu Lydia Setio Wibowo, more known to all of us as Ibu Ade. She is the founder and owner of Cecilia Ballet School in Jakarta and also ballet teacher at SPH Lipo Village. Charlene has deep passion toward ballet and practices hard. She has competed in many ballet competitions, both domestically and internationally. One of them was the Taiwan Grand Prix. Her family, friends, and school support her.
I've been liking ballet since I was 3 years old, and I really like it because when my mom started to make me do ballet, I started to find that it's my passion and I like to do it, and it's my an opportunity to do competition.
When I was offered the first time by Charlene's teacher, Miss Claretta and Miss Jo, to participate in Taiwan Grand Prix competition. At first, I was confused. I said to Miss Jo, "Can she really do it?" And then Miss Jo said, "Yeah, she can. She can do it. She has the capability to compete internationally and to expose her talent." So then I said, okay. I discussed with my husband, and we both support her to go to the Taiwan Grand Prix competition.
I decided, at first, I didn't want to, but then my mom and my teacher, they pushed me, and then I decided to want to because I don't know what will happen. I might win and I might lose. So at first I was afraid to lose, but then it turns out I was pretty good, and I was in the top 15, so yeah. Practiced for about 5 months, and the hours that I used was about 2 to 4 hours a day. And
Maybe the most difficult is the practice hour. When going to competition, she need to practice about 3 to 4 hours every day. Sometime one day she finishes at 9 o'clock at night time. So whenever she have time available, I will ask her to do her homework and catch up with her work, or maybe during the weekend. Even on Saturday, her practice start from 9 to sometimes 6 o'clock or 4.
I'm happy. I enjoyed it also, but then sometimes it's tiring, but it's really enjoyable. So sometimes I don't really feel the pain because I'm really happy that I could do it.
When Charlene was grade 1 and 2, she got a top 6 ballet award from SPH, the top 6 student from grade 1 to grade 12. And then starting when she joined jazz ballet in Flamingo, she got many medals, high distinction medals for every level of her exam, and she also got the best dancer group in jazz level 1. And then beside that, she also got Charlene also joined camp in Singapore. It's called Okaha Dance Camp in 2015. It's from the dance station from Singapore. She was the best dancer in her age category, 9 to 11 years old. Also, last time Flamingo, where she went, they participated in Maybank dance competition. Their group also won second place. Beside that, Charlene also won top 15 place in the Taiwan Grand Prix dance, and she was invited to the gala dance winner, dancing with Miko Fogarty. Charlene also won third runner-up for her solo dance in Philip Lighting Week in Jakarta, Plaza Senayan, and also her dance group won the second runner-up. Recently in Malaysia, first Malaysian Ballet International Grand Prix, she was top 7 place. SPH is really supportive in what Charlene is doing. This year, this half year alone, she already missed school for 2 weeks. First is for the Taiwan Grand Prix. That was about 1 week, one week plus, and the other one was in August, and the other is in November for Malaysian Grand Prix.
School supports by like our ensemble. Our teacher is really passionate, so like the people that want to do ballet, they push them to like do the right steps, do the right moves, and yeah, that really supports me, so I can my passion can be more better and better each day. My mom and my dad support me by like they accompany me every single time I do competition. They pay and like they help us, and they're always there if I'm hurt or like yeah.
SPH schools promote the holistic education as a part of its vision and mission. The school encourages the whole school community to improve themselves in academic, art, physical, emotional, social, all aspects as human created by God.
To everybody that has a passion of something, it takes hard work, but you have to keep on doing it in order to succeed, and don't think any stress, and be confident on yourself, and don't look at other people by how they're better than you. See what God and your other friends look about you, and that might make you succeed better.
I encourage parents who wants to support their kids in whatever they love doing, their passion, because we never know when the opportunity comes for them to shine. So whenever there's an opportunity, just grab it so they can show their talent to the fullest. Yeah.